Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to look at MP Materials here. I'll show you a different kind of trade. This is not really a momentum trade. But first, just want to mention over the weekend, we're going to be putting all of the educational products for Stock Market Mentor on sale, the typical Labor Day sale. That includes the 59-minute trader, which is the most popular course I've ever taught. It's so popular, I actually did it over again several years later just to kind of update it. I've not really done that with a workshop before. So you'll have an opportunity to get that for a pretty steep discount. Watch your email because there will be one coming out soon. So anyway, I hope you take advantage of that. It'll teach you how to make money intraday, which is exactly about the only way people are making money in this market these days. So anyway, watch for that. Now, MP Materials. There's a couple things going on here that I like. First of all, if we just look at the trading box that this is in, this is at the bottom part of the box. So if you're buying here, you know, if you're giving it a lot of room, you're risking 5%. But you could really even tighten it up a bit more if you want. But let's say you're risking 5%. If the stock falls out of the box below the 50, you're done. But what happens if it continues to run? Well, if the stock continues to run, you could get a really nice move all the way up to the top of the box. 40 bucks, hey, it's happened before. How about this, 38 even? So if you're going here, you get the move up to 38, that's 8%, 8.5%. You get it up here, 10%. So you get the point. You're risking 5 to make 10, we'll say. And the nice thing is it's a higher probability trade because we've seen the rebound before. So, you know, I look every day for these trending stocks that, you know, you're buying them on little dips or on breakouts and riding them on to glory, but we're not seeing that kind of market right now. Most of the breakouts that I'm seeing turn out to be fake outs. But this type of thing, I like the way this is trading from a standpoint of buying the stock and getting a nice quick little flip here with very, very little exposure. So anyway, check this out. Hope you like it. Members, I'm actually talking about some intraday stuff on NVIDIA that you might really be interested in. So definitely check out the middle part of the video. All right, everybody, I'll see you next time.